If you're over 60 and you think AI is only for tech people, young people, or big companies, I want to tell you something important. That is simply not true. AI can actually make everyday life easier, faster, and less frustrating for regular people like us. And right now, this is one of the biggest trends happening for older adults. More and more people over 60 are starting to use AI for simple, practical things. Not complicated coding, not fancy business systems, just everyday help. For example, AI can help you write an email when you're not sure how to word it. It can help you plan a trip. It can summarize a long article so you don't have to spend 20 minutes reading it. It can help you create a grocery list, meal ideas, workout plan, or even a polite reply to a difficult message. It can help you understand technology, compare products, brainstorm gifts, write a Facebook post, or organize your thoughts when your mind feels cluttered. That's the real power of AI for everyday life. It is not about replacing your brain. It is about giving your brain a helper. Now let me say this clearly. You do not need to be a computer expert. You do not need to understand all the technology behind it. You only need to know how to ask good questions. That's it. If you can type a text message, you can use AI. And if you can talk into your phone, you can use AI. That means this technology is not just for the younger generation. It is for anyone willing to try it. In fact, if you are over 60, AI may be even more valuable to you because it can save time, reduce frustration, and help you stay confident in a world that keeps changing fast. And let's be honest, sometimes the world feels like it is moving way too fast. New apps, new passwords, new updates, new gadgets. AI can help you keep up without feeling left behind. But here's the most important part. Use AI as a tool, not as a crutch. Think for yourself, use common sense, double-check important information, and never share private financial or personal information carelessly. Used wisely, AI can become one of the most helpful tools in your daily life. So if you've been curious but hesitant, this is your sign. Start simple. Ask AI to help you write one email, plan one trip, explain one confusing topic, create one grocery list. That small first step may open up a whole new world. The future is not just for the young. It belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and keep growing. And that absolutely includes you. If you enjoy content about living stronger, smarter, and with more confidence as we get older, subscribe to Reach High now, because the best may still be ahead.